Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto Z, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings, and from here scroll down to Storage, tap on your SD card, and then tap on the three dots right here and go into Storage Settings, where you should find Format option. Tap on it, and it will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data from it. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up, otherwise you will lose it. But if you don't, tap on Format and the process will begin. It only takes a couple seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more. And there we go, tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.